number of operands. The first one is called as unary operators. In unary operators, how many operands we are using? Only one operand we are using. Second one is binary operators. In binary operators, we are using two operands, friends. Third one is a ternary operator. So we are using three operands. Three operand, that's all. So like whenever you are using the number of operands, based on this, there are three classifications are there. What is the first one? Unary operators. What is the second one? Binary operators. What about the third one? Ternary operator. Like that, we have three divisions are there. So, okay, sir, what about the operation? Based on operands, there are three divisions are there. Based on operation also, we have different divisions are there. Let us see what are the divisions. So, based on the type of operation, all the operators are divided into the following types. So what about the division based on the operation? We have arithmetic. Arithmetic operators are there. We have assignment. Assignment operators are there. Then we have string concatenation operator is there. Then we have relational operators are existed. And after that, we have equality operators are existed. Next, and after that, we have logical operators are existed. Next, and after that, increment and decrement operators are available. So after that, we have conditional operators are available. So next, and after that, we have bitwise operators are available. And after this, we have some new operator is there. Next, and after that, this open and closed parenthesis, it is also one operator. And we have some special operators are there. Let us see all these things in detail with example programs. Up to this, do you have any queries? Please let me know. Just I provided only theory part. Any queries?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Respond, guys, everyone. So now we will see what about the in-depth division. Okay, in-depth division of these operators and how these are going to play an important role, we will see now. So under this, what is the first one? The arithmetic operators. So from our childhood onwards, we are learning this. Arithmetic operators. Now tell me which symbols we will use to perform arithmetic operations. Anyone? Yes, which symbols we are using to perform arithmetic operation?
Plus, minus, multiplication, and all.
Very good. So we will use plus to perform which operation? Addition. Minus to perform which operation? Subtraction. So then we have star operator is there to perform multiplication. And we have slash to perform division. And we have percentage to perform modulo division. Like these are the symbols what we have. But how these symbols are going to work? We need to see with example program. I am taking one Java program. Let us consider the name of the file I am giving as test.java. So test.java, like this I am saving. Now how to run this program? We know. First we have to open command prompt and we need to enter into the folder. And what is the command that we have to use to compile the Java program? I forgot. Anyone tell me? What is the command that we have to use to compile the Java program? Please confirm.
Java C
Java C.
class name, file name.
So Java C followed by file name dot Java. Java C followed by file name dot Java. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So Java C space file name. File name is test.java. The program compiles fine. There is nothing error. Java space test. So what is the expected output? Hello world. Now we have to see how these operators are going to work. In this place, I'm going to take 5 plus 2. Tell me what is the output? What is the
7.
output? 7, because it is addition operation, right? 7. So double slash means what? It is a comment. Whenever you are typing like this, the comments will be always ignored. So then I am taking system.out.println of 5 minus 2 I am taking. Now tell me what is output? 3, correct? Now I am taking 5 into 2, 5 by 2 and 5 percentage 2. Tell me guys, 5 into 2, what is output?
10.
10. 5 by 2?
5.
Quotient, the remainder will come for percentage. Quotient will come for complete.
Actually 2.5 is the general mathematics result. But since it is the Java programming language, slash means it will always take integer but not floating point. Okay. So integer, numerator is nothing but what type of data? Integer. Denominator is what type? Integer. That's why integer division it will perform. And 5 percentage 2. That means what? Sir, whenever you are taking a 5 and if you are dividing with the 2, so 2 2s are 4. So this is nothing but quotient and this is nothing but what? Remainder what we are going to get. So what is a remainder? 1 is the remainder. So let me check really whether these outputs we are getting or not. Let us compile and let us run 7310 7310 21. So expected output we got. Am I right, friends? Please confirm everyone.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear up to this?
Yes.
Right. So now this is nothing but output what we are getting for this. So our next concept is just in these operators itself, there are some small loopholes are there. Loopholes in the sense some small syntactical changes. So I want to address those changes with the help of examples. Observe carefully. See, whenever you are taking 5 by 2, what is the result that we are getting? Tell me. Whenever we are taking 5 by 2, what is the result that we got? 2 or 2.5?
Actually,
Just now I covered 2, right?
yes.
Sir, I want to get 2.5 as the result. What we need to do? Sir, you have to take 5.0 in the numerator. That means it will be considered as a floating point value, then divided by 2. Or you can take so 5 by 2.0, or you can take 5.0 by 2.0. What is my conclusion is either numerator or denominator or both. Either numerator or denominator or both. If you take as a floating point, then what will happen? We will get the result as a floating point. This is the conclusion that you need to understand. Now you can see we are getting to 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
whenever you need floating point result, compulsory you need to take
Floating.
Yes, either numerator or denominator or both you have to take. Correct? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So there is one more conclusion is there, like related to sign. Related to sign. Observe carefully. I am taking 5 by 2. The result is 2. Now I am taking minus 5 by 2 or 5 by minus 2 or minus 5 by minus 2. For first one 2, for second one is also 2, but what is the result?
Minus.
Hmm?
Minus 2.
It is going to return
Minus 2.
minus 2. What about next one?
This is also minus 2.
Minus 2. What about next one?
Plus 2.
Plus
Means
2.
2.
Plus 2. Now let us see. So we know already how the signs are going to work. Based on that one only, we are getting these results. No doubt, right, in this conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next example, a bit complicated thing. Maybe it is a new for you. So I am taking 5 percentage to, then minus 5 percentage to, then 5 percentage minus 2, then minus 5 percentage minus 2. Tell me 5 percentage to result is what?
1.
1. Minus 5 percentage minus 5 percentage to
This is minus 1.
minus 1. What about 5 percentage minus 2?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. What about this one?
1.
1. But please make sure this is not the result. Whenever you are doing percentage operation, the sign is always, it will take numerator sign. In the first statement, what is the numerator sign? Plus. That's why it is taking plus. In the second statement, what is the numerator sign?
Minus.
Minus. In the third statement, what is the numerator sign?
Plus.
Plus. That's why it won't take minus 1, it will take plus 1. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Next one,
Minus.
minus 1. If you want, you can cross check. This is the basic thumb rule what we have. Clear, guys?
Yes, clear, sir.
One more very, very important example. What is the next example is, see, whenever you are taking any number 10 by 0, what will happen? Is it possible to divide any number with 0?
It will throw an error, divide by 0.
So we are going to get division by 0 error. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But it is not compilation problem. The program is going to compile fine. But during execution, I am unable to execute that code. So we are going to get some kind of exception. So what is mean by this exception? I will explain later. So what is that exception in main method? Java.lang.arithmetic exception division by 0. So I can't able to divide this number by 0. Like that it is giving the conclusion. So I think this concept is very clear for you. Any doubt in this program? It's mean simple concept. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
If I take 10 by 0.0, now what is the result? These are important for interviews. That's why I am covering. What is the
Same,
result for this?
same error.
Same error. Now see what will happen. Compiles fine. During execution, what result it is printing? Infinity. So there is a constant value defined for floating point, not for integer. For floating point, what is the constant value that they defined? What is the constant they defined for floating point value? Infinity. For integer, they didn't define. That's why what happened? We are going to get arithmetic exception. Got it? These small loopholes are there. These are very important for interviews. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more example. I am taking 0 by 0. Then what will be the result? What is the result? Is it 0 or arithmetic exception? You can see, sir, division by 0, right? There definitely it is arithmetic exception. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so one more example for you to get more clarity. Last example. 0 by 0.0. Now,
Infinity.
infinity,
I got infinity.
0 by something. That something is 0.0. So you will get some different results for this. What is the result is? It is not a number, NaN, not a number like that. Okay. These are the three important conclusions that you need to aware for certification. Let me give summary. 10 by 0, what we will get? Runtime exception saying division by 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is another case that we covered? So 10 by 0.0. Then what is the result that we are going to get?
Infinity.
Infinity. Now 0 by 0. Same runtime exception saying division by 0. Okay. So 0 by 10. We will get 0. Correct? 0 by 0.0. In this case, what is output? Not a number. These points you need to remember for interviews, guys. So that's all. These are nothing but what are the arithmetic operators that we have and how these operators are going to work. Any questions up to this, whatever I covered? Do you have any queries up to this? Please confirm. Sir, everyone in the session, please respond.
No queries, sir.
Understood.
The students who are attending the demo session, please respond. Clear? Please confirm, guys. Clear? Right. So the next one, what we have here is what is the next type of operators? Assignment. Assignment operators. With your knowledge, tell me which operator is used for assignment purpose. Tell me,
Equal.
guys.
Equal.
Equal to, very good. So equal to is used for assigning values. That is, equal to is called as assignment operator. Again, there are three types. There are three types of assignment operators existed. What are the three types of assignment operators existed? One is called as simple assignment, second one is called as compound assignment, and third one is called as chained assignment. Like this, we have three types. Let me demonstrate all these things. I think better I don't want to go for example program. Okay, so just let me give overview first. If I am taking a is equal to 10, is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. Suppose if I am taking b is equal to 20, valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. If I am taking c is equal to a plus b, valid or invalid?
Valid.
If I am taking 6 is equal to D, is it valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. So what is the meaning of this? Whenever you are doing assignment operation, left side compulsory we have to take only variables, but right side we have to take either variables, or you can take values, or you can take even expressions also. Is this top level rule is clear? Please confirm everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the next example is, I am declaring one variable like a. A is equal to, I am assigning a value called 34. Then system dot out dot println of, I am printing the value a. Then a is equal to 999 I am taking, and I am trying to print the value of a. So anyway we will get two outputs. Why? Because how many SOP statements are there? Two SOP statements are there. Hence we are going to get so two outputs. Tell me what is the first line, first output? What is the second output?
34
What
and
is the first output?
34
What?
triple nine.
34. 34 and then 999. But only one variable, multiple assignments we have given. Am I right?
It will replace.
It will replace the previous value. So first 34 and then 999. Sir, is it clear?
Yes.
Now, so what is the next one here is, suppose sir, I am doing one small mistake here, like final. In C and C++, there is one special keyword is there with name const, const. The purpose of const is to declare any variable as a constant, we are using that keyword. So if any variable is declared with a const, then it is nothing but what? Constant. But here you can see in Java that concept is replaced with the keyword called final. Whenever you are declaring any variable with final keyword, what is the meaning? Modifications are not allowed for that. Clear? That means how many times we can assign a value for final variable means only one time. So it won't raise any error at this line because it is the first time assignment. But it will raise error here. Why? Because final means it is a fixed value. So you can't reassign the values. You can't reassign the values. That is the problem. Now the program is going to compile fine. So sorry, compilation error we will get. Why? Because in the 8th line it is telling variable a might already have been assigned. Sir, already initialization is done. Again, why you are reinitializing? Because for final variable, how many initializations you can do? Only one. But why you are doing multiple initializations? Like that, it is rising error. So I hope you got clarity about this program. Any questions, friends? Any questions here?
Sir.
Clear? Please confirm, friends.
Yes, yes.
Right. So what is the next one that I am taking here is, observe carefully. See, I want to declare a variable like integer a is equal to 10. Then I will print the value. After this, I am taking a is equal to a plus 5. What is the output you will get first time?
10,
First time 10. Next time
15.
15. What is the meaning of this? A is equal to a plus 5. So in the left side only we have to substitute the values. 10 plus 5, which is nothing but what? 15. That 15 we are copying to a. That is the meaning. Clear? So
Yes.
the output what we are getting here is, you can see the output is nothing but what, 15. So everyone feeling comfortable up to this? Any queries?
Hmm.
No. Sir, this one, Java people provided one replacement. What is the replacement is? Array, you are not required to take like a is equal to a plus 5. Simply you can take a plus is equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this? A plus is equal to 5 means it is the same like a is equal to a plus 5. Sir, maybe 5 already we have taken. Let me say 6. So it is the same like a is equal to a plus 6. Is it going to work? Yes, we are getting 10 and then 16. Got it, friends? Clear? This assignment is called as compound assignment. What is the name of this assignment? This assignment is called as what? Compound assignment. Are you clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this assignment, what is the name of this assignment? Compound assignment. Got it? Sir, for this, there is one speciality is also there. I will show you one simple example. In Java, there is one data type. For demo, for the students who are attending demo, this is a new concept for you. There is one data type with the name byte. Tell me what is the size of the byte? What
8
is the range
bits.
of the byte? Minus 128 to
Plus 127.
plus 127. Correct? Now, same operation I am doing like this. Instead of int, I am taking byte. Byte a is equal to 10. So I am taking a is equal to a plus 7 like this. Now what is output?
17.
A 10,
Hmm. First time it is a 10, next time it is
17.
17. Correct? Now see what is happening here. We are getting compilation error. So we are getting compilation error. Why this compilation error is coming? Because you can see what we are doing in this program. Sir, byte b is equal to 10. Okay, no problem. 10 is what type? Byte type. 7 is what type, sir? Anyone tell me? We didn't declare 7 as an integer or byte or floating point like that. Correct?
Variable it is this.
So 7 will be considered as a what type? Integer type. Am I right? So what is the maximum of byte and integer? It is always integer. That's why this expression result is what? Integer. We are assigning to which type? Byte type. It is illegal operation. So demo students, some it is a new concept for you, because after data types you will get this clarity. But as of now, just aware, that's all. Sir, clear why this problem is coming? Everyone, please confirm. So the advantage of this compound assignment is, what? If you take a plus is equal to 7, now it won't raise any error, it will execute. So internally typecasting is performed by by compound assignment. Internally what will happen? This compound assignment operator is going to do typecasting also. So whenever you want to do assignment, better you can go for this compound assignment, because it is providing the flexibility advantage, right? That's why. Sir, you got the clarity? Please confirm.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in the interview, there may be a chance of asking this kind of question. What is the question is, what is the difference between A is equal to A plus 1 and A plus is equal to 1. Don't tell both are same because we know the clarity, right? So A is equal to A plus A plus 1 means what is this statement? Can I say it is updating A value, correct? A plus is equal to 1 means what? It is updating A value and typecasting. So typecasting will be performed automatically. Got it, friends? Which one is recommended? A is equal to A plus 1 or A plus is equal to 1? Which is recommended?
A plus equal to 1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, everyone please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Right. Guys, please respond. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. So what is the next one is in the assignment, there is one more assignment operator is there, which is nothing but chained assignment. Suppose consider I have some variables like w, x, y, z. W is equal to x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to I am taking triple h. That means a single value we are assigning to multiple variables. A single value we are assigning to multiple variables. So what is the output you will get? You can see. So we are getting triple eight, triple eight, triple eight, triple eight like that. A single value we are assigning to multiple variables. So hope you understood the scenario. Any questions? Clear?
Clear.
Now, so since it is also related to the assignment, let me cover two more examples for interview purpose. Integer I am taking. Is there any error in this program? Please confirm. Are you feeling any error in this program?
Declared but not used.
But no problem, right?
Yes.
So program compiles fine and even the program is going to execute, there is no issue. But I am doing one small modification here. What is that modification is? Observe carefully, friends. What is the modification I am doing is system.out.println of I. Now tell me what is the output?
Not declared.
0.
0. Why? Because Java virtual machine is giving default values. What is the default value for integer?
0.
0. Correct? So you people are going to feel like that. Okay, you people are going to feel like that, but actually it won't print 0. It will raise compilation error. So what is that compilation error? Variable I might not have been initialized. Array, you are trying to print the value of I, no problem. But where you performed initialization? Without initializations, is it possible to print the value? No, right? Sir, you told somewhere Java is going to give default values. Yes, it is possible. But actually, where we declare the variable inside a function, it will become local variable. For local variables, Java virtual machine won't provide any default values. It will provide only for class level variables. That we will see in object oriented programming. Again, this topic I am going to repeat in OOPS also. Up to this clear?
Yes.
Any queries, guys?
No, sir.
Right. So that's all about assignment operator what we have. The next one is string concatenation operator. String concatenation operator. Sir, already we have plus operator. So plus operator is overloaded operator. Overloaded operator in the sense what? It can perform multiple operations. So plus operator is also used for string concatenation. That means what? To add string values also, we can use this plus operator. Suppose in my program, I have 10 plus 20 is there. What is output? 30, correct? Huh? Yes. Sir, based on the values which you are giving. Sir, I have given two integer values. That's why what happened? It is doing string concatenation because I have given two integer values. It performed integer addition. In the first place, if I am taking ABC. In the second place, if I am taking DEFG, then what will happen? We won't get any error. The output is ABC DEFG. That means it is doing something like a string concatenation, like that. So it is performing which operation? String concatenation operation. Clear? Please confirm. Sir, are you clear with the plus operator functionality? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now, sir, to get more clarity on this, I will take one example. Please answer this question. Integer a is equal to 10. Integer b is equal to 20. System dot out dot println of I am taking a plus b. What is the output, sir?
30.
30. 30. We know very well it is going to print 30. Now, sir, system dot out dot println of I want to take something like result is equal to plus a plus b. Can I say this one is a string? Yes. So what is the output we will get? Result is equal to 10, 20, not 30. Why? Because see, observe carefully. This is nothing but a string. We are using plus operator with a. A is what type? Integer. So result is what type? String. Sir, string plus integer, it won't raise any error. By default, string concatenation will be performed. By default, string concatenation will be performed. Sir, then what about B? B is nothing but the result is a string, right? For that, B is also added. So hence result is equal to, so 10, 20 we are getting. Sir, I don't want like this. I want to get result is equal to 30. What you have to do? Very simple. Try to take this within parenthesis. Now what will happen? We are going to get result is equal to 30. So the power of plus operator and parenthesis, you got clarity. So can I say if at least one argument, if at least one argument is a string, result is always a string. If both arguments are integers, result is integer. If at least one argument is a string, result is nothing but a string. Sir, everyone got clarity? Please confirm.
Yes.
Remaining students, please respond clear up to this.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next example, to get more clarity, I will take the last example. So what is that example is string A is equal to, I am taking Java. Then integer B is equal to 10, C is equal to 20, D is equal to 30. Like this, I have given initialization like this. Now, A plus B plus C plus D. Tell me, what is your answer?
Java 10. Java 10.0.20.30.
That's all. Java 10, 20, 30. Am I right?
Sir.
Now, just I am removing this A from the beginning and I am adding at the ending. Now, what is the result? Sir, 1 second. Someone is keep on leaving the meeting, again joining. I request if you want to attend the session, please regular. Don't leave the meeting. Some people are keep on leaving and joining. So if you are doing like this, I will log the meeting. Please make sure that. Okay. Yeah, tell me, sir, what is the output now?
70.
Hmm? So B is what type? Integer, right? C is what type? Integer. D is what type? Integer. All integers. If you add, what will be the result? Integer addition. 60, correct? So 60 plus A is Java. So we are going to get 60 Java. If you want, you can check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose, assume I am removing B from the beginning. I am adding to the ending. Now what will be the result? C is 20, D is 30. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 Java, again 10. Can I say it is nothing but, so 50 Java 10. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, last one. So I am removing this C also and I will add at the ending. Now what is the result? D value 30, then Java. So B value is nothing but 10, 20. 30 Java, 10, 20. Any queries? At least one argument is a string means we will get result as a string. So you need to keep that point in your mind while evaluating. Any queries? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Understood? Clear?
Yes.
Right. So the next operator, we completed arithmetic operators, we completed string concatenation operator, we have seen assignment operators. Now we have to talk about relational operators. Sir, which are relational operators? If you want to check the relationship between two variables or two objects, then we have to use these relational operators. So what are all the relational operators available in the sense? Less than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are. So I can add the point. It is used to check. It is used to check the relationship. It is used to check the relationship between variables and values. Okay, the output of relational operators is always boolean value in the sense what, we will get either true or false but not both. I will take some examples where you will get much clarity. See, I am taking some SOPs like system.out.println of 10 less than 20. So 10 less than or equal to 20. So 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than or equal to 20. Tell me what is the output for first one,
True.
second one,
True.
true. Third
Sorry,
one,
false.
sorry,
False.
second one is true or false?
True.
True. Third one,
False.
fourth one,
False.
false. So what is the difference between first one and second one? I will take example, you will get clarity. But please make sure that first one is only for less than. But second one, it can be less than or less than or equal to. Both possibilities. Got it? Now observe. Java C test.java I am taking. So Java space a test. You can see true, true, false, false. Is the basic idea of these relational operators clear? Please confirm clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so I'm doing some small modification here. What is that modification is? See, I'm taking 10 less than 10. So 10 less than or equal to 10. 10 greater than 10. 10 greater than or equal to 10. What is the output for first one?
False.
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 10 less than 10. 10 greater than 10 is always false. That's why to check equality also, we have less than or equal to operator is there. So no need to give much explanation about this. So this is the way how these less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are going to work. Any questions? Clear?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so one more important conclusion. You have to tell answer for this. Sir, 10 less than 20, we are clear. Small a less than 10, one character and one integer value. Then small a is less than 97.6. And here small a is less than capital A. Like that, I am using different types. Tell me what is the output for first one?
False.
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 What is the output for second one? Or is there any error?
Error, sir.
Yes, we will get error. Why? Because first one is what type? Character.
Correct.
Correct? Huh? Second one is what type?
Integer.
Integer. Is it possible to convert a character into integer? No, right? But please make sure we can convert. What is ASCII value for small a?
65.
What is a 97? Is it less than 10? Condition true or false?
False.
False. So we will get false here.
False.
What about this one? I think you can tell easily.
False.
Why?
Sorry, true,
True.
sir.
True. What about this one?
False.
So 97 is less than, what is ASCII value for capital A? 65.
Right. Yeah.
So whenever you are using characters, it will be converted into integers automatically based on the ASCII values rule. Clear? Let me add one point. We can apply relational operators for all data types except Boolean. Is it possible to compare two Boolean values? No. For small a, what is ASCII value? 97. For capital A, what is ASCII value? 65. For 0, what is ASCII value? 48. Remember these three. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, suppose if you apply for Boolean, what will happen? Let me try that error message also. Consider I am taking here true less than false. Definitely it is invalid. Am I right? When you are compiling, it is telling bad operand types for binary operator less than. So less than is the binary operator. It is applying for bad operands. First one is Boolean. Second one is also Boolean. We can't apply for Booleans. Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next one. Suppose consider I want to take 10 less than 20 less than 30. What is output?
True.
Hmm?
True, sir.
What
Yes,
is the
sir.
output?
True,
Yes,
sir.
True, sir.
True, huh?
Sir.
Right. So majority of people are feeling it is true, but actually, what is 10 less than 20? True, correct? Huh? Is less than 30. Again, it is error, right? Am I right? One is Boolean, one is integer, correct? Huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now see what is output we are getting. Bad operand types for binary operator less than. So what is the meaning here? Can I use the word called nesting of relational operators? Nesting of relational operators are not allowed. Clear, friends? Any
Yes,
queries?
sir.
So last one, suppose consider there is one class called student. Later we will talk about that. I am creating one object for student class. I am creating one more object for student class. Now I want to compare is the first student is less than second student. Sorry boss, I can't compare two student objects because student means n number of properties will be there. Hall ticket number, name, n number of things will be there. But on what basis you are comparing, that you should give clarity, right? So without that it won't work. Got it, friends? So we can't compare objects by using relational operators. Clear? Sir, everyone clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's all about relational operators what we have. Now we have to talk about equality operators. What is mean by equality operators? We can apply equality operators to check whether two objects or two things are equal or not. So we can apply these operators, for any type of data, including objects. So the output of these equality operators or these operators are also Boolean. That is either true or false. Which are equality operators? Double equal to, not equal to. Sir, one basic example I am taking here. So I am taking system.out.println of 10 double equal to 10. So 10 double equal to 20. So 10 not equal to 10. 10 not equal to 20. Tell me 10 equal to 10. True or false?
True, sir.
True. Correct.
True, sir.
10 is double equal to 20.
False.
False.
False. So 10 is not equal to 10.
False. False.
10 is not equal to 20.
True.
True. Clear, guys? You can apply this for all types of data that you try by your own. Try to take two Boolean variables and check how it is working. Clear? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So next, the next type of operator I am moving, increment and decrement. Increment and decrement operators. I think it is very easy only, not that much difficult. Increment operators are used to increase its value by 1 unit. So what about decrement? Decrement operators are used to decrease its value by 1 unit. So increment operators purpose is what? To increase its value by 1 unit. So decrement operators purpose is nothing but what? To decrease its value by 1 unit. So we are using one special symbol called plus plus. So to perform which operation? Increment operation. What is the purpose of minus minus? To perform decrement operation. Okay. So x plus plus purpose is nothing but what? So to do post increment. So plus plus x purpose is nothing but what? It is called as pre increment. What is the difference? Sir, if you take the symbol after any operand, then it is called as post increment. If you take plus plus or minus minus symbol before the operand, then it is called as what? Pre-increment or pre-decrement. Even for x minus minus, so it will become so post increment. Even if you take minus minus x also, it will become what? Pre-decrement, like that we have. But when we have to use post, when we have to use pre, I will explain with a clear example. Up to this, any questions?
No, sir.
Sir, clear everyone, please confirm.
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. Now I will take the basic examples to get some idea. So first I am taking one integer variable like x is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of I am printing x, then also x. In between I am doing x plus plus. Tell me what is the output of first print statement?
10.
What is the output of second print statement?
11.
11. Correct? Because it is incremented by 1 unit. Now my question, same thing I am taking instead of x plus 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 x. Now what is the output?
Same, sir.
10, 10.
Same,
11.
10, 10. 10, 10 or 11, 11.
10, 10.
10.
Please make sure you will get the same output. What is the meaning? Sir, if we are taking increment and decrement operators outside of print statement, then so we will or when we take increment and decrement operators outside of the print statement, so then both are same, whether it is pre-increment or post-increment, both are same. The reflections will be there only inside SOP if you take. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So next I will show you with example. Suppose consider I am taking integer 10. I am printing x. Here I will take that statement inside SOP. And now tell me, first line 10. What is output for second print statement? It is also 10. Why? Because it is a post increment. What is the first operation it will perform? Usage of the variable. Then increment will happen. First usage of the variable, then increment will happen. That's why the output is 10. After that it will increment. So its value will become 11. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the next example is, I want to explain for pre-increment. Here I am taking plus plus x. Now what will happen? First operation is nothing but what?
Post pre-increment.
Increment operation. Then only usage. Can I say it is 11?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now you can see 10, 11, 11 we are getting. Everyone got the clarity?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is nothing but what is mean by increment operator and what is mean by decrement operator, how it is going to work. And can I do that increment and decrement operators on different types of data? That you try by your own example. With one example, so I will conclude this topic. See, I have SOPs here. First I am taking x, then x plus plus, then plus plus x, then I'm taking x minus minus, then I'm taking minus minus x, then at last I'm printing x. What is output for first statement?
10.
Okay,
10.
let me explain. What is a variable that we have here? X. What is its value initially?
10.
10. So that 10 will be printed, correct? Then what is the second line? X plus plus. First operation is what? Usage. Second operation is increment. Hence,
10.
first 10 will come. After that, what will happen? It will be updated to 11. Correct, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next time, plus plus x. What is the first operation?
Increment.
Increment. It will increment the value. So
Increment.
then usage. Now you will get 12. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now in this case, what? First usage. So 12 will be printed. Then what will happen? Decrement. What about next line? First
10.
decrement. So 10. Then usage. And last also 10. So 10, 10, 12, 12. So 10 is the output what we are expecting for this. 10, 10, 12, 12, 10. So I think this example is giving clarity on how different types of expressions are going to work inside SOP. Any queries up to this?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now. So what is the next operator here is? Yeah. So sorry for the delay. There is some power issue. Sir, can you please confirm? Am I audible now? Is my voice is clear? Everyone?
Audible, sir.
Yeah, right. So now we will see the next type of operator, which is nothing but new operator. So the next type of operator is nothing but new operator. Let us see how that new operator is going to work. So the next operator is new operator. Sir, what is the purpose? Name itself is giving very clear clarity. It is used to create. It is used to create a new object in Java. So in Java, if you want to create any new object, so we use which operator? New operator. I will take some syntax, so where you will get much clarity. Listen carefully. See, I'm going to create some classes here. Let me take, I'm creating one class called student. Inside this student class, so there is nothing, content is there. Let me create one more class called customer. In future, we will see how to create those classes. In main method, student yes, I'm making new student. I'm creating one different student class. And the customer C is equal to, so new customer. I'm creating one of customer class. Similarly, S1 is equal to new string. We are creating string object. So string is equal to string. all these results, we are creating objects by using which operator? Operator. So the main purpose of new operator is to create the objects. You can see the program is successfully compiling and it is executing. So what is the purpose of this new operator? It is used to create the objects in Java. Sir, feeling comfortable up to this? Any questions? Clear? Please confirm everyone. Clear? Yes, please respond. Sir, will
Sir,
up to this? My voice is clear.
actually, voice is not audible, sir. Some disturbances.
Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So 1 second. Yeah. So now please confirm. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear? Please confirm, madam. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Yeah, right. Let me continue. So the next operator is after this new, there is one more operator. You don't have any doubt in the new operator, right? The main purpose of new operator is to create the objects. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So next there is one more operator. The name of the operator is instance of operator in Java. There is one special operator is there with the name instance. What is the purpose of this operator is? So it is used to check whether the given object is instance of another object or not. Okay, it is used to check whether the given object is instance of another object or not. For example, here student S1 is equal to new student I am taking. Then, so string S2 is equal to new string I am taking, like this. So then student S3 is equal to new student. Then student or sample S4 is equal to new sample, like this I am taking. See, what is this instance operator? In the real time we will see later. If you are printing is S1 is instance of string. Tell me, is the S1 is instance of string or not? Please confirm. Is S1 object related to string?
No.
No. Then what is the output? False. Is S2 related to string?
Yes.
So what is the output you will get? True.
True.
Got it? Is S1 is a instance of student?
Yes.
So
True.
the output what we will get is true. Is S2 is instance of student?
False.
False. So is S3 is instance of sample?
False.
False. Is S3 is instance of string? False. Got it? Clear? Everyone please confirm. So what is the purpose of this instance operator? To check whether an object belongs to a particular class or not, you can check. Generally in object typecasting, we will use these kind of scenarios. Clear everyone? Please confirm.
Yes.
Right. So now there is one more operator is there like brackets. What is this operator is? I'm not going in detail into this. So it is used to check whether the given it is used to create for arrays. It is used for creating arrays. In future we will see. For example, I want to create an array to store 10 values, means like this we will use. So here what is the purpose of this one? To create arrays. What is the purpose of this one? To define functions or to define methods. What is the purpose of these brackets? To create a blocks. What is the purpose of this one? It is used in generics. Like this we have all these operators with meaning. Maybe in arrays you will get full-fledged clarity. Any queries? Just I have given a short note. Clear? Yes, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, so these are nothing but some operators what we have. I think we covered operators related to operation. Yes, you can see arithmetic completed, assignment, string, relational, equality, okay, increment and decrement, and a new operator, and then these brackets. So still we have four more operators are there. So I will give some break for 15 minutes. Okay. After that we will continue remaining. Clear, guys?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, you can go for break. I will take up to 7:30 like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear.
Sure.
Yeah. So I'm going to give break for 15 minutes. So I will be on mute in this period and I am away from the system. Yeah. So hi guys, welcome back. Can you please confirm? Am I audible? Is my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, please confirm everyone audible so that we will start. Remaining students. Everyone came back.
Yes.
Right. So the next topic, the next operators what we have here is logical operators. So what is mean by logical operators? How these logical operators are going to work? We will see now. So what is mean by logical operators? By using conditional operators, by using conditional operators, we can frame only one condition. That's all. Because if you take either less than or greater than or anything, how many conditions you can able to frame? Only one condition. So if we want to develop multiple conditions, if you want to develop multiple conditions, then we should go for which one? Logical operators. If I want to develop multiple conditions, we have to use these logical operators. So what are the logical operators that are available? We have to see now. Anyone having knowledge on these logical operators? Tell me.
Not
What are the logical operators available? Not. Then
And are
yes. So there are two types of logical operators are available. One is nothing but logical and second one is nothing but logical or. What is the first one? Logical and then logical or. So let me cover logical operators. What is another name for this is short circuit operators. There is another name is there called as short circuit operators. Any name we can use. What is the advantage? I will show you. Double and a double or. These are called as logical operators. This one is called as logical and. This one is called as logical or. So how it is going to work? Very simple. Logical and means what? Logical and returns true. Returns true if all the conditions are true, else it will return false. What about or? It is going to return, it returns true if any one condition is true, else it is going to return false. This is the basic definition what we have for this. Clear?
yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have to see programmatically how it is going to work. First I will take one simple example. So here there is one test class is there, and inside this system dot out dot println of I am taking true and true. What is the output that we are expecting, guys? True, correct? Because both conditions are true, right? Now I am taking true and false. What is the result?
False.
False. Now I am taking false and true. What is the result?
false.
False.
False. Now last one I am taking false and false. What is the result?
True.
False.
False.
True.
False. No, sir. False. Because and right. So and will return true if all conditions are true. Otherwise it will return always false. Okay. Now let us compile the code and let us execute. You can see the output is true, false, 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 like that. Got it? Clear? Sir, understood? Now in the place of and, if I am taking R, what will happen? I am taking R here, I am taking R here, sorry, and here also I am taking R, and here also I am taking R. Now what is the result? First one,
True.
true. Second one,
True.
true.
True. Yeah.
Third one, true.
True.
Fourth one, false. Why? Because R is going to return true if any one condition is true. Okay. Now let us check how it is going to work. So all are true except last one. Got it? Any queries? So these are nothing but called as what? Logical operators what we have. Any questions? Clear? Understood? If you are clear, then I will go for the next operators. Clear, Ram?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what about the next operators we have here is bitwise operators. Sir, which are bitwise operators? How these bitwise operators are going to work? Bitwise and is there, which is symbolically written as ampersand symbol. We have bitwise or is there, so symbolically we are representing as or symbol. So bitwise exclusive or is there, which is symbolically represented as a cap, like that we have. Okay, these three are called as what? Bitwise operators. Clear? So what about this ampersand symbol? Single ampersand symbol is doing, it will return true if both arguments are true, else it will return false. What about R? It will return true. So if any one argument is true, else it will return false. What about cap? It returns true. So if both are in same state. Okay, let me take one example, then only you'll get clarity. I am taking so true and true. So true and false, true and true. Sorry, false and true, false and false. What is the result you are expecting for this? Please confirm. What is output for first one? First SOP? True. Correct. What about second one?
False.
False. What about third one?
False.
False. What about fourth one? False. Correct. But please make sure that, so whether it is single and or double and, both are same. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So both are same, but what is the difference? At the end I will explain. Now let me check really is it working or not. Yes, you can see true, false, false, false. Got it? But what is the real difference? That we will see later. Sir, what about R? R I am taking, here also R I am taking, R I am taking, R I am taking. First one is true, second one is nothing but what? True. So third one is nothing but what? True. Last one is false. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So true, true, true. Last one is false. Is my expected output is correct or not? What about last one? Cap. What I told, sir, for related to the cap? If both arguments are in same state, remember, if first one is true, second one is also true, means you will get true. If first one is true, second one is false, output is false. If first one is false, second one is true, output is false. If first one is false, second one is also false. What is the output?
True.
True. Like that we have. Got it? Sir, clear?
Yes.
Any questions? Sorry, opposite, sir. Sorry, I tell opposite. Got it? Clear, guys? Sir, understood the functionality of these operators. Any questions?
No, sir.
Next, remember carefully, it is not only for um, it is not only work for Boolean values, it will work for integers also. For example, if I am taking 4 and 5, and if I am taking 4 or 5, if I am taking 4 cap 5, what is the result we need to analyze. See, whenever we are using these operators, remember carefully, what is a binary equivalent of 4? Anyone tell me? Binary equivalent of 4? 8, 4, 2, 1. Correct? Huh? What is a binary equivalent of 5? 8, 4, 2, 1. Am I right, sir? Please confirm. Sir, clear? Ah?
Yes, sir.
So you know, right, how to convert it into binary?
Yes, sir. No.
Right. So now 4 and 5 means what? Sir, 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 0. What is its decimal equivalent? 8, 4, 2, 1, 4. So we will get 4 here. Got it?
Yes.
So what is the output for next one? If you take 4 or 5, 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 1, 1. 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 1, 1. What is the equivalent? 5. Like that. What is a cap? So 0 or 0. 4 cap 5. 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 1 or 1, 0. So 0 and 1. What is equivalent? 1. Like that it will work. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any queries up to this?
No, sir.
Understood? So these are nothing but bitwise operators what we have. But still continuation is there. So I will take that continuation in the next session, because here completely the power is not properly good. My mobile connectivity is also not that much good. That's why I will continue in the next week. Clear, sir, up to this?
Yes.
Now tell me, those who are willing to continue in this batch. Sir, 7 o'clock students, you can leave the session. So the people who joined at demo, can you please confirm those who are willing to continue? Give your names. Yes, please confirm those who are willing to continue. Give your names in chat window. Yeah, right, guys. The from next week onwards, you will be having the regular classes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, right. Thank you, guys. Yeah, right, guys. Thank you.